I am very encouraged. When I heard the speeches of both the prime ministers yesterday at the Guildhall, I found that there's a really keen desire to do something to increase the relationships on the economic front, and there are many opportunities to do so.
Do you think £9 billion, the number that's been put out, is just a tip of the iceberg? Perhaps there could be more announcements and more aggressive investment between the two nations?
I think these numbers are just an indication. If the direction is right, then we can do a lot more.
On the infrastructure front, right, there is expected to be more investment opportunity that's likely to come up. They've also spoken about opening up capital markets, masala bonds, being initiated, as well as opening up the currency markets too. What did you make of those specific announcements?
So infrastructure is a big need for the country, as well as funding for the infrastructure. And the UK has got a lot of experience in building high technology infrastructure. And frankly, these countries are now developed, so there's not that much scope in the UK to invest in infrastructure. So this is an ideal combination that India provides the market. India is in need of technology, it's in need of funds, and we can do both together.
The 6 deals that have been signed, one of them is also in healthcare. The right step forward because the healthcare space also needs some innovation, creativity and investment?
In healthcare, I think there's a huge scope, especially for frugal innovation. It's frugal innovation, which really means that you have to do more for less, for more people. And that can happen whether it is in the UK or in India. With the increasing, galloping costs of healthcare, globally this is an issue, and I think there is a model here for us.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.